it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to all the OG subscribers, all the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And if you're new, make sure you guys look down below, click that red subscribe button because we need you guys to be following us, and also click that notification bell. Today we are on our way to Downforce Solutions. So we are having a 4.5 hour drive. We are driving down to Downforce Solutions, which is my sponsor. They're going to be hooking us up with the rear diffuser down there. So it's about to get real epic, man. The car is looking super good. I got my little brother, fat ass right there, little Zon the Don, eating his food. But you know what I'm saying? We out here chilling, man. The car is looking super, super good. I didn't vlog as much because we got, like I said, a 4.5 hour drive. And I am, yeah. You know what I'm saying? We started driving at 5. Right now it's like 7, 8 o'clock now. We get there at like 10:30 something. Since we got to take a quick stop, it might push up a little bit. But yeah, everything is cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to try to drop as much videos as possible as we are going to Downforce Solutions, and also when we are going to LA. So after Downforce Solutions, we are hitting LA. And it's gonna be so much shit going on. And we're going to the car club, car meet, man. Shout out to my car club, Midnight Car Club. Yeah, so his fat ass is done eating. So we're about to go eat. I'm about to go Downforce Solutions. Let me show you the car real quick. All right, so the car is looking super good. Check out this, check out this. Ooh-wee. The car is dirty though. So we're about to go and get back on the road. We got more time driving. Look at that thing right there. As always, let's get out of here, man. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get over. Woo, woo. The Nismo Type R. That shit nice. Oh my gosh. Behind the truck. So we got the Type R right there. Got this car right here, the Scat Peasy. Oh, that's not the Scat Pack, that's a Hemi. Yeah, 392. And then Nismo is pulling the fuck up behind us. See that white car way behind us? He about to do a launch control. Shit, that shit dope, man. That shit dope. That nigga recording too.
Oh, that's a Daytona.
Oh, the Nismo going off the freeway.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look behind us. What's going on? Turn it off to something. Over here we got the warehouse, Downforce Solutions. I heard somebody say, "Ooh." All right, y'all. We finally made it to Downforce Solutions. So we about to get the rear diffuser on the car. So let's go, Zon, because we late. Kind of late to the party here, but don't lock that door though. Cell looking real good. Hopefully we can find a place I can go get the cell thing. I see y'all. Okay, we out here, Zon. You made it out here with me, you know what I'm saying? My nigga probably couldn't make it, you feel me? We made it happen, you know what I'm saying? See, this is their garage. I seen their door around. All right, so now we're about to walk. I think this is the warehouse. Then we're gonna have to park my car. But let's see how it is. Oh yeah, Downforce Solutions. Door right here, appointments. Oh wow, Downforce Solutions, dope. Go ahead. Oh wow. Super sick. Wow. Oh, how you doing, bro?
How's it doing, man?
Hey, do you mind if I vlog?
No, not at all.
Oh, cool. How you doing?
Welcome.
Nice to meet you. Can
Nice
you do
to
me a
meet you,
favor?
man.
Can you
Nice
record
to
for
meet
me?
you, man.
Totally.
Yeah, nice
This
to
is
meet
cool.
you guys.
Thank you, blessing.
Yeah.
Blessing, bro.
Hell yeah.
Man, I've been talking about you guys all the time.
Yeah, appreciate
I'll
it,
be like,
man.
Downforce. We made it.
Finally made
Front
it.
of Bay.
Yes.
To Downforce Solutions, man.
What, 5-6 hour drive?
About About like 5.5.
That's gnarly, man. Well, I
Yeah.
appreciate you coming down.
Hell yeah, man.
Car
I
looks
appreciate
great.
it. Thank you,
I'm
bro.
excited
Thank
to
you.
do the diffuser.
You know,
so-
you know what I thought about it? I'm just gonna do the diffuser right now.
Okay.
And then the next trip I'm gonna do the side skirts.
Okay, sounds
So,
good. Yeah,
yeah.
no problem.
And then
Get it done.
yeah, I want that green stripe if it's fine.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Keep the camera. Come on, man.
I was showing the green stripe.
Wow.
Damn, bro.
Then these will go on the sides.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, that's what.
Wow.
It's gonna look good, man.
This is going
Yo.
down, man. I'm at the warehouse, man. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. This is some exclusive, y'all.
Custom.
Wow. Look at this, all custom.
Yo.
This is not even like camera guy. This is not even on the website, like for the Lexus build, because you guys did the IS, right?
Yeah, we did the sedan, the
Sedan.
IS300. Yeah, so when you hit us up, I just verified the dimensions would work for your car, and we did something custom for you.
Top of the mook. Hey, I like this. I like this, man. I'm so excited, man. I've been dying to get down here. There was so much stuff reoccurring. I had to keep pushing it back, but
Yeah. Hey, life happens.
that's true. That's
Life
true.
happens.
It's an honor to be here, bro.
Appreciate
Like
you.
seriously, I
Man,
really love y'all
get to
work.
see the actual shop now.
They
in
did my
person.
Honda. You guys remember my Flash? You know what I'm saying? The Honda. They did that splitter and the rear diffuser. And now we got the rear diffuser custom. It's not. I mean, it's custom.
One
Don't-
off.
One-
One off.
Woo. But yeah, man, we here at Downforce Solutions, man. I'm super excited, man. I love everything that they done. They really stepped it up, man. You guys all know me. That know me. I always talk about Downforce Solutions, man. We here at the headquarters. This is some rare opportunity. You know what I'm saying? So this is a blessing, man. And to talk to how he started this is amazing. It's amazing, man. So I'm here and I'm happy, man. And this is so sick. And they got the extra green, so I'm gonna wrap the splitter that I created, but in my canards. But oh my gosh, look at this. So it's about to get intense, man. So he said it's gonna be about like an hour. You know what I'm saying? So we in here, baby. We in here, y'all. And man, it feels good. Came all the way down from SoCal. Man, I mean, we came all the way from the Bay. What am I talking about? We came all the way from the Bay, all the way down into SoCal. We're going to enjoy LA. We got a car event going on later on in Orange County. And yeah, man, we about to have fun today. And man, this is exciting, bro. This is exciting, man. Hey, Zon, he got the lug nuts too.
Alright.
Yeah. That's just clean. The lug nuts right there.
Oh shit.
That's it, way.
Maybe you could buy those, maybe. I don't know.
This is inspiring. This is something about, you know what I'm saying? Like my company, Mortal
this
Society.
workshop, bro. Lit.
Man, I need to do something like that. But give me one of those things made with Immortal. We here, baby. Breaking Necks daily. And my canards hanged on.
I know they stayed on.
They stayed on. We're here at Downforce Solutions, baby. It's insane, man. Wow. The owner himself driving my car. You know what I'm saying? Wow, man. Inspiring, man. We here. This is it, man.
That's fire, bro.
Man, started with the creator, man. The guy. Man. Appreciate it too, bro. Zon, who told you to be here with Downforce Solutions, bro?
You?
Who told you to be in here, man? You don't even know how blessed you are. I'm trying to tell you, like, Downforce Solutions is a big, big thing, bro. And it's an honor to meet the owner, bro, the person that started this. You make your moves. Man, Downforce Solutions, baby. I'm here. Man, it's such a blessing to be in here, man. To be here in Downforce Solutions headquarters, bro. It's inspiring talking to the owner and hearing how he started his company. This is so inspiring. This is what I want to do with my situation with my Immortal Society. Open up a warehouse as well, working on aero kits, and it's just a blessing to even be honored to, you know what I'm saying, just to be here. It's a blessing. It's not that many people meet who sponsored them. You know what I'm saying? The founder, not just employee, but the founder. So super inspiring to be here, and I'm so ready to see sell, get fixed. It's gonna be crazy, man. Custom. You know we gotta do a custom style, baby. All right. Let's see how this thing look. Woo.
Back to you.
All right, let's see how this look. You go first.
No, yeah.
Oh, this is wet.
Swear, I gotta look now. I gotta look now.
Oh shit,
Oh shit!
bro.
Oh!
Both of the greens.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh, I didn't even
no.
peep that.
What the fuck?
What? Oh my gosh!
Yo.
Super duper custom. He got the colors. You know what I'm
Bro,
saying?
Yeah, the exact two colors.
Oh
That's crazy.
my, bro.
That shit's wet. Oh my god,
Are you serious, bro? Thank you, man. Oh my god, I didn't even peep that.
bro.
This is fucking insane. Look at this.
I'm just shocked. that
One
you
of them ones
matched
though.
The exact colors. That's crazy.
We are. Look at this. They gave me. Look at this. You guys
That
gotta
shit
look at
looks
this.
So good.
The two in the middle is like a lighter, and then the other. Oh my gosh! That's wow. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited. This is badass. Jesus! Wow, bro. This rear diffuser is better than I expected. Like it's
It
crazy.
is, bro. The detail.
Wow! Look at that. Oh yeah.
This is
Oh yeah.
sick.
That's the goal right there.
Yes. Thank you, man. This is amazing. Hell yeah.
You really finna be breaking necks now.
You already know, man.
God.
Thank you, bro.
Of course, man.
Here you go. And then I'm gonna put the green on the splitters in the front.
That's-
What?
You actually want your receipt printed, text, or email? You don't give it? Cool. If you change your mind, shoot me a message and I'll get you the receipt if you need to. Other than that, there you go. This is for you. What I try to do is use your mounting points instead of it drilling into the car itself. Okay. So I remove these and replace them with my so I always give those back to the customer in case you go back to
Just in
stock.
case.
Okay. Extra decals for you to take home.
Look at me, I got my decals. I got my decals. Hey. I got decals. What about you? This is wet. This is insane, man. Oh my, bro. They done reached the elevator, bro, with this. Man. Am I the first RC so far?
Yes.
I am the first RC. You guys heard it. I just wanted to flex that one real quick. I am the first one to get that on the RC.
That's clean.
Oh, we gotta show this one more time, bro.
That's dope how they think of the ideas to deal with the different cars
This
and
is
the different
insane, bro. They
diffusers.
took this on a whole different level. I'm glad I got a sponsorship with them. Man, this is insane. It looked like the race car type, like you know what I'm
Man,
saying? Like how
yeah.
the NSX be.
Mm-hmm.
This is insane. This is. Did you guys hear that? I'm the first. Let that soak into you. I'm the first. With this right here, I'm the first. Oh, perfect. Thank you, bro.
Oh, shit. Thank you, bro.
Thank you. Zion got the.
Oh, shit.
Hey, we can wear these today.
Oh, it's good.
Let me see. Let me show you. Zion team. Okay. We out here making moves. Ooh. What you know about the Downforce Bros? You know what I'm saying?
I'll be here with my Civic.
Oh yeah, you definitely are coming here. You definitely gonna come here. We're gonna get that done. Definitely. Hey, do you do his year? What year you got?
2013 Civic.
Is that the 9th gen or 8th gen?
I think it's 9th gen.
9th gen sedan?
Yeah. Coupe.
Coupe. Haven't done the coupe, no, but say even if we haven't done it, we can make it happen.
Right.
So.
Fuck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is insane. Man, the God right there, the legend, bro. The legend, man. Wow. Oh my God, I'm so happy with this. This is oh my gosh, I can't even talk right. This is insane.
Personal Instagram, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my
it's,
gosh.
STI.